Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will cover the simulated Boeing 737 engine start procedure using the APU. So let's get started. The pre-flight check is completed, the APU is running and supplying both the electrical power and bleed air to the aircraft system. Now before we start the engine, make sure that the parking brake is set and the thrust levers are set to idle. Turn on the anti-collision light to notify the ground personnel for an imminent engine start. On the fuel control panel, we turn on the fuel boost pumps. Low pressure amber lights extinguish. The two electrical hydraulic pumps go on. Low pressure amber lights extinguish. On the lower display unit, we check that the hydraulic system is pressurized. Then we press engine push button on the MFD controls to bring the secondary engine display, as we need this for engine start procedure. Turn off the packs. It's recommended to alternate the igniters on subsequent engines start. For instance, the left igniter is being used for the last start, so I'll select the right one. Now the normal engine start sequence is the engine number 2, then 1. To initiate the engine start, we turn the engine start switch to ground. Start valve open alert shows on the engine display. And to start rising, we make sure that there is movement in N1 and N2 is at approximately 25%. Then we move the start lever to idle. Fuel flow shows an increase. EGT start rising, showing that the fuel is being ignited. Oil pressure is rising. At 56% N2, we watch for the starter switch cutoff. Now we wait to see that all engine parameters are stabilized. Then we proceed with the engine number 1 with the same steps. And this completes the engine start procedure for the simulated Boeing 737. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.